Welcome back to Athletifit, health enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into the world of dieting and unveiling 5 dangerous diet mistakes that almost everyone makes. These mistakes can hinder your progress, impact your health, and prevent you from achieving your desired results. Get ready to gain valuable insights and learn how to avoid these pitfalls on your journey to a healthier you. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Skipping meals. Many people believe that skipping meals will help them shed those extra pounds faster. However, it can have detrimental effects on your metabolism and energy levels. By depriving your body of essential nutrients, you're setting yourself up for cravings, overeating, and potential nutrient deficiencies. Let's uncover the importance of regular, balanced meals and how they fuel your body for success. When you skip meals, your body not only misses out on the necessary nutrients it needs to function optimally but also triggers a survival mode. This can lead to a slowed metabolism, making weight loss even harder in the long run. Regular meals provide a steady supply of energy, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and reducing the likelihood of experiencing intense hunger that leads to overeating or reaching for unhealthy snacks. It's crucial to understand that each meal plays a role in supporting your body's functions, including metabolism, cognitive function, and muscle repair. Aim for balanced meals that include lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. This approach ensures that you're providing your body with the necessary nutrients it needs to thrive. Number 2. Overreliance on fad diets. We've all seen them, the quick fix diets promising miraculous results in no time. While they may offer temporary weight loss, they often lack essential nutrients and are not sustainable in the long run. Let's explore the dangers of fad diets, why they don't work, and how to adopt a balanced and sustainable approach to nutrition. Fad diets often gain popularity due to their promises of rapid weight loss, but they rarely live up to these claims in a healthy or sustainable way. Most fad diets severely restrict calorie intake or eliminate entire food groups, leading to nutritional imbalances. These imbalances can result in fatigue, weakness, and even damage to vital organs over time. The key to successful and lasting weight management lies in adopting a balanced approach to eating. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients. A diet that includes a variety of whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and colorful fruits and vegetables can support your overall health and well-being while helping you achieve your weight loss goals. Number 3. Restrictive eating. Restricting yourself to an extreme degree, whether by severely limiting calories or cutting out entire food groups, can lead to nutritional imbalances and a strained relationship with food. Our bodies require a variety of nutrients for optimal health, and restrictive eating can do more harm than good. Let's delve into the importance of balanced eating and finding a healthy relationship with food. While it's natural to want to see quick results, extreme restriction often leads to feelings of deprivation, which can result in overeating or binge eating episodes. Additionally, cutting out entire food groups can rob your body of important nutrients. This can have a negative impact on your energy levels, immune system, and even your hair and skin health. Instead of focusing on forbidden foods, shift your mindset towards moderation and balance. Allow yourself to enjoy a wide variety of foods while being mindful of portion sizes. When you nourish your body with a diverse range of foods, you're more likely to meet your nutritional needs and feel satisfied. Building a healthy relationship with food involves listening to your body's cues and enjoying your meals without guilt. Number 4. Ignoring portion control. It's easy to lose track of portion sizes and mindlessly consume more calories than your body needs. We'll discuss the importance of portion control, mindful eating techniques, and strategies to ensure you're fueling your body with the right amounts of nutrients without going overboard. Portion control is a fundamental aspect of managing your calorie intake. In a world where larger portions are becoming the norm, it's easy to consume more calories than you realize. Mindless eating in front of screens or eating out of large containers can lead to unintentional overeating. To combat this, practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and try to eat slowly, savoring each bite. Using smaller plates and bowls can help visually control portion sizes. Learning to recognize appropriate portion sizes can empower you to enjoy your favorite foods without overindulging and support your weight management efforts. Number 5. Neglecting sustainable lifestyle changes. Many people fall into the trap of viewing dieting as a temporary fix rather than a long-term commitment to a healthier lifestyle. Quick fixes and crash diets may yield immediate results, but they rarely lead to lasting change. We'll emphasize the importance of adopting sustainable habits, making gradual changes, and focusing on a holistic approach to health and wellness. When it comes to achieving and maintaining a healthier weight and lifestyle, quick fixes rarely provide a sustainable solution. Crash diets and extreme measures might offer rapid results, but they often lead to a cycle of weight loss and regain. To truly transform your health, it's essential to make gradual, sustainable changes that become integrated into your daily routine. Consider incorporating regular physical activity that you enjoy, finding stress reduction techniques that work for you, and prioritizing sleep for overall well-being. Make small adjustments to your eating habits over time, such as swapping sugary snacks for whole fruit or drinking more water throughout the day. By focusing on a well-rounded, holistic approach to health, you'll not only achieve your goals but also enjoy the journey toward a healthier and happier you. And there you have it, 5 dangerous diet mistakes that almost everyone makes. By recognizing and avoiding these pitfalls, you can set yourself up for success on your health and wellness journey. Remember, it's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients, adopting sustainable habits, and prioritizing your overall well-being. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay informed, stay committed, and embrace a balanced approach to nutrition. If you found this video informative and valuable, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content on health and wellness. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be diving into more topics aimed at